Well, let's see if we get this whole beast off running here. Chilly out. That's colder than Trudeau and Carney's heart. Frigid bastards. Okay. Oh man, this thing's just so cool. Alright, let's open her up and give her a little Cosby sauce. Yeah, good stuff. Yummy, let's get in the cab. Okay. Choke out. I should probably hook up the battery. I'll try again. A little more Cosby. Ah, yeah. Oh no. Might be out of fuel. Let's try this again. Oh yeah, there she goes. Sounds so pretty. Man, these old cabs are so cool. In fact, you can like just access all this from inside. I mean, yeah. Be able to access the motor like this. And I can even access the battery for that little hatch there. So I can jump start this thing, Cosby saucer, do everything from inside.